My dear students, can you solve this problem which is behind without pen and paper? Definitely you can solve, because you can just see this diagram. It is everything is confused, nothing is clearly given, but it's very easy. Basic concept is required here. So you can just see the point C. C is taken as center of curvature, which is 8 is the point there. A parallel beam of light ray which strikes the mirror, it gets reflected back. It has to pass through the focal point. Another light ray which is going to strike the pole of a mirror here, it gets reflected back like this, definitely. And what is going to happen? Finally, you will get an image at this place. So you will get a final image at this place. Okay, so by seeing this image, you can tell the answer clearly. That basic concept is required. And what is the basic concept? Various images formed because of a mirror. Whenever the object is placed beyond C, you will get an image between F and C. And what type of properties this image is having, do you know? It is an inverted image. Okay. And it is a real image, and that too it is a diminished image. So how do you solve this problem without pen and paper? Just by seeing a basic concept. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.